Hello guys, Lucas back, and thank you for 20 likes, and now we're gonna continue this series. I'm so glad for that. And let's go to the cave. I just need to make another stone pickaxe because I'm going to be prepared because there may be mobs in there. Let's do like this, okay? And now let's make a pickaxe, so I didn't put that there. And we have enough for one sword now, but our sword, okay, but maybe we need 2 swords. Okay, let's do this, and we're not needing coal for now, but we have torches. Maybe we need sticks. Okay, we need food, and that's all. Okay, let's, where's my hole? There. Okay, let's go down. I think it was this way. Okay, let's go down. And in the cave, I think I saw iron the first episode, and I'm gonna try to mine it. Maybe we can find some more. We can make armor then. Which way was it? I don't know. I know there was down there an Enderman, but I think it go. Okay, let's put this and let's go this way. I think it was. It was not this way. Okay, let's put it back. Now let's do this. I'm writing. I should have got more torches, but hey, here it is. Okay, let's put torches. So, oh, a bat. How can we get? Okay, is someone killing me? Okay, I thought someone hit me. Let's put here, and there's some iron, and there's a creeper and skeletons. I don't know if I should go because maybe I'm gonna die. Here's some iron. Let's go on the way. Make sure we don't fall down. What? Oh, there's a skeleton down there. I forgot. Let's make a bridge. Okay. Let's go down. Make sure skeletons don't hit me. Okay. And do this. And that. Okay. And now, where's the iron? Let's go up. Make sure it doesn't fall down. Okay, and there was another one here. There's just 2. Okay, there's the creeper. Where's some more iron? I think it was. Oh no! 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 I'm gonna die. I'm about to die. Die! 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 Okay, 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 let's put torches so nobody can spawn. Okay, there's a bunch of iron. Let's heal up. Whew, that was a close one. Okay, and let's do this. My pickaxe is almost dead. So, but I have another one, I think. Okay, oh, I'm so scared right now. Okay, maybe I need bone meal. What else do I need? I don't think I can mine gold now. Let's place torch. Oh, this is the end, I think. Okay, let's mine this. Okay, there's gold. Oh, there's iron. And let's go home. I'm so scared. That scared me a lot. Okay, my pickaxe. Okay. Okay, let's go up it. And now let's go up. Can I mine this? Yeah. Okay. Now let's go like a stair. I don't don't know what I need this for, but let me get it. I think you can color your armor, letter armor. Okay, I think, okay, 7, we can make armor now. That's good. Okay, here we are. Whew, I was so scared. Where should we go? Okay, block that off. Block that off. What is that? There's more iron, but let's make first armor and then we'll come back sometime. Okay, and oh, here's some iron. Okay. Oh, maybe we can get full set of armor here. We need 24. 22, 23. Okay, we need one more. But I think I have one in my home, so we'll see. Let's eat real quick. And where's my hole now? Let's find it. Where is it? What's that? Oh, I came back here. Let's go here. Okay, here it is. We'll use cobblestone. Okay, that was a successful. We get iron. Okay, let's go here, mine that, and we're gonna put this. Okay, and let's put the floor. Okay, let's cook that iron, and let's get all of this in there. And now I don't know what to do, but we'll see. First we're gonna make armor. Is it daytime? If it's, I'm gonna go, maybe we can find some food outside. No, it's nighttime. Okay, let's get this iron. Maybe if I can, I'm gonna cut this part because it's boring. Okay, let's wait. Okay, we're gonna make 50 iron for armor, and then we're gonna use for tools the other thing. Oh, I need one more. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's make iron leggings, and I'm gonna make a chest plate because that's give you more protection than the helmet, helmet and the boots. So I'm gonna make those two, and if I find more iron, I'm gonna make armor. But with the rest of the iron, I'm gonna make tools. So now I can make tools, and later I'm gonna make. Okay, and let's make a sword. I can. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna, what should I make? I'm gonna save the rest of the iron. Or I should make protection now. Okay, let's wait. Okay, and I need these 8 for chest plate, and we're gonna save those 3 for something else because I have a pickaxe. I need 3 more. wait. Okay. Okay, I'm good. And one more. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. And okay, and now let's make a chest plate. And now we're gonna use these 3 left for something. Okay, but I'm gonna wrap up this episode here. If you want to see part 3, maybe we'll get to 15 likes, and then I'm gonna go to this series. I want to end this series great. So thanks for watching, and if you want to see more, please like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.